Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will open an elevated command prompt now. This gives you permission to query full system details. First, press Start or Win+X and choose Command Prompt Admin or Windows Terminal Admin. When the UAC dialog appears, accept it so commands like systeminfo and wmic return unrestricted data. Once in the prompt, make sure you're in any specific directory you need by typing cd and the path. That prevents file path errors when exporting results. Now you're ready to run the first commands. Next, execute the primary queries to collect the data you need. Type systeminfo and read the OS, BIOS, memory, and update summaries. It's quick and comprehensive. For detailed hardware fields, run wmic CPU getName, number of cores /format, list, and wmic memory chip get capacity, device allocator to see per module info. This is why you opened an elevated prompt. When you need driver details, run driver query /v/fo CSV to create an exportable table you can open in a spreadsheet for analysis. Finally, save and verify the information you gathered so you can review or share it. Redirect outputs like systeminfo, %userprofile, %backslash/desktop /systeminfo, txt, or driver query /v/fo CSV drivers, CSV to create files. Once done, inspect those files or open Event Viewer for related logs. If a command fails, try sfc/scano to repair system files, and make sure you actually ran the terminal as administrator. If permission issues persist, check local group policy or domain restrictions as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.